Marhaba wa ahla wa sahla fikum. Welcome to this new tutorial. As you would see on the screen, in this tutorial we'll be looking at fi, the preposition, and how do we use it in Levantine spoken Arabic. We've got three cases for you. Let's get down to them. So first of all, the first case, as we know, fi is used as a preposition meaning in or at. So for example, in English you say I'm at work, but in Arabic we say I'm in work. So we say أنا هلا في الشغل بس هو مش في الشغل. أنا هلا في الشغل بس هو مش في الشغل. So obviously when you see here like fi, what they tend to do, they jump in sound or in pronunciation and reading over the alif because it's an airy letter to the first consonant, which is L. So that's why sometimes you would hear people say it. They would say fil shighl, so they join it together in speech, and that is a very special character or case to spoken or in spoken only. السيارة في الجراج. السيارة في الجراج, and garage in Arabic means parking lot. So السيارة في الجراج, the car is at the garage or parked in the garage. أهلي في لبنان زيارة. أهلي في لبنان زيارة. My family are in Lebanon for a visit. ورفيقي كمان, and my boyfriend as well, في لبنان معهن, with them. أهلي في لبنان زيارة, a visit, going for a visit. ورفيقي, friend or boyfriend, كمان as well, في لبنان معهن, with them in Lebanon as well. نسيت موبايلي في الحفلة. نسيت, I forgot. موبايلي, you might guess. في, which means in or at. الحفلة, the party. كتابي في الشنطة. كتابي في الشنطة. My book is in the bag. Great. And here are a number of examples for you showing the use of fi, used as a preposition meaning at or in. Here I've used 5 different Arabic fonts. Let me know which one you like the most, and just put the numbers in the comment section below, and the winner or the winners would ask a question and I'll make a video specially for them. Great. Our second use of fi, when we use it in dialect as an interrogative pronoun, meaning is there or are there. And the first question is مرحبا في بنك قريب من هون. Hi, is there a bank nearby? في bank, is there. لا ما في bank, no there is not a bank nearby here. في سوق هون, is there a market here? A. في سوق ورا البنك. في سوق هون. A. في سوق ورا البنك, there's a market behind the bank. في تليفون هون. في تليفون معك, have you got a phone with you? Is there a phone on you? And he says, or she says, لا ما معي تليفون. آسف. No, sorry, I haven't got a phone on me, sorry. في عندك سؤال? Is there a question with you? Meaning, do you have a question? So this is how would you, do you have a question using في. And obviously here, في عندك سؤال, and she says, لا ما في عندي سؤال. لا ما في, no there is not with me a question, meaning no, sorry, I don't have a question. في شغل كتير هذا الشهر? Is there lots of work this month? ايه في شغل كتير بس أنا بستمتع فيه. ايه في شغل كتير بس أنا بستمتع فيه. Yes, there is, or there are lots of jobs or lots of work. But أنا بستمتع, I enjoy فيه, in it. So في, here is في, and the ha belongs to work, شغل. شوفي أحمد معصب. What is in him? Ahmad معصب, which means what's the matter with Ahmad? He looks angry, he looks upset. So here we've added the ha to the preposition fi, and the ha refers to Ahmad. So Shufi, what's the matter with him, or what's the issue? And he says, ما بعرف Shufi, I don't know what's the matter in him, meaning with him. الشركة فيها نادي صحي. الشركة فيها نادي صحي. So the company, is there in it a gym? And he says, لا بس في واحد قريب. No, but there is one nearby. Okay. or third and final section, the way we use fi, meaning can, obviously, we need to conjugate it with possessive pronouns. So here we've got the two conjugations for fi when it's conjugated with possessive pronouns. So the first one you say, fi, fiyak, fiki, fina, fikon, fih, fiha, fihon. So all of them means I can, you masculine can, you feminine can, we can, you group of people can, he can, and she can, and they can. However, we do have another conjugation where in dialect they add an extra N before it, which is a little bit unusual, but at the end of the day that's what sometimes people use in spoken. So they say fini, finak, finek, fina, finkon, fino, finha, and finhon. Again, at the end of the day, both are used, but you're more likely to hear. So you would hear more people using fi, I can, fik, fiki, fina, fikon, fi, fiha, fihon. However, you would sometimes see that people use this pronunciation. فيك تحكي عربي? Can you speak Arabic? ايه فيني I can. لأنه because تعلمت I learned عربي Arabic هون بلندن here in London. فيك تجي بكرة بكير? Can you come tomorrow early? فيك تجي بكرة بكير? Can you come tomorrow early? ايه أكيد. Yes of course. بشوفك بعدين. See you later. فيكي تعملي معروف? Can you do me a favor? وين السفارة المصرية? وين السفارة المصرية? Where is the Egyptian embassy? And she says, أهلا وسهلا, you're welcome. تعالي معي أنا باخدك. Come with me, I'll take you. تعالي معي أنا باخدك, I'll take you. فينا نروح سوا على السينما? Can we go together to the cinema? And she replies, لا آسفة أنا عندي شغل كتير. No, sorry. أنا عندي I have شغل كتير, lots of work. الأسبوع الجاي, next week. How about next week? الأسبوع الجاي. فيهن يحضروا الحفلة معي. Can they attend the party with me? Meaning, can they attend the party with me? Meaning, can they come with me along to the party? أكيد, of course. فيهن البركة. Yes, of course. البركة, which means the blessed or the good. So you couldn't have better than them. So why not? بيشرفونا, they will honor us. فيها تاخد هالكتاب على لندن معها. فيها can she تاخد she takes can she take. فيها تاخد can she take هالكتاب this book على لندن to London معها, which means with her. She says ما بعرف لازم اسألها أول شي. ما بعرف لازم اسألها. I must ask her أول شي, first of all or firstly. في يترك الشغل بكير. فيه can he يترك الشغل بكير. Can he leaves the work early, meaning can he leave the work early? And the answer says لا ما في, he can't. لا ما, which means not. في can. لا ما في, no he can't. لأنه عنده مشروع كبير. لأنه because عنده he has مشروع project كبير is big بالشغل at work because he's got a big project at work. ممتاز. شكرا كتير للمشاهدة وشكرا كتير للمتابعة وشكرا للاشتراك وشكرا للتعليق وشكرا للمشاركة. شكرا كتير لكم. Don't forget to write which font you like the most, type the numbers, and the winners will get a request, and whatever request you ask, I'll make a tutorial based on that request. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had a great time learning some Arabic. Don't forget to share with family and friends, so hopefully they as well find it useful. Till next time, keep well and ma salama. Ma salama.